Selling is not everyone's cup of tea. I'm sure that you must have heard this many times now, but what if I tell you that you are already selling something to someone online or as a digital entrepreneur? What if I tell you that you have already sold something to someone as a digital entrepreneur? What if I tell you that you are already selling something to someone? See, understand, selling is not everyone's cup of tea, those who don't take action. But let me tell you, you are already into the process of selling something to someone. Then have you ever thought that why people are not able to sell something, or why people are not able to get desired sales in their business? So keep watching this video. I'm going to share you 5 important things which people are missing in their sales process. Because of that, they are not able to get desired results in their business or in their online business. So keep watching this video till the end. The topic says that how to sell anything to anyone as a digital entrepreneur. What I mean by selling anything to anyone, of course, you are a digital entrepreneur, you're a digital marketer, you're an entrepreneur, you have your own product or services, or you might be promoting someone else's product or services, doesn't matter. But when it's come to selling, it's altogether a different ball game. It is not all about you're just building a product, you are creating your own product, or you are borrowing someone else's product as an affiliate and then you are going to sell something. Then selling is totally a different ball game. It is, because understand this, it doesn't matter that whether your product has amazing value, doesn't matter the product has amazing quality, doesn't matter. People don't care about all these things. They just care about how that particular product or service is going to help them, your audience, to get their results in their business. All right. So the number one thing is that you don't need to sell your product or services. Don't sell your product or services to your audience. What I mean by that, and I'm talking about how you can sell anything to anyone, and now I'm talking about that you don't need to sell anything. You don't need to sell your product or services. I mean is that you don't need to sell your product or services. You have to sell yourself, my friend. You don't need to sell your product or services. If you have seen a lot of people, they try to exaggerate their product and feature their services. They don't talk about themselves, the person who's selling, the person who is talking about that product. You have to sell yourself. Until and unless you're not able to sell yourself, people are not going to buy your product. Let me tell you, until and unless you're not selling yourself, your audience, your subscribers, your customers are not going to buy anything from you. That's why focus on selling yourself. Then only people are going to buy whatever product you sell, whatever services you sell to your audience. They are going to buy, because you have sold yourself. That's the reason. Second important thing you need to understand is that start building trust. Trust is extremely important. See, it is not only about that if you are increasing or decreasing the product, the value of your product or the services, then only people will start buying from you. No, it is not all about that. People should trust you first. See, understand, this is a virtual world. This is an online world. Why people should trust you? Because there are hundreds of people already selling their own courses, own products, own services. Then how you can get into the same market, get into the same niche, and how you can compete with them. I'm not talking about that you have to compare with them. I'm talking about how you can compete, or how you can put your flag in that market, and how you can say that I am the person who can help you to get those desired results in your business. Then you have to understand that you have to start building that trust between you and your audience. And to build a trust, it is going to take time. So don't focus on selling only. That's why my first point is that you don't have to sell your product and services. You have to sell yourself. And how you will sell yourself? That you have to build first trust between you and your customers. And that is only going to help you. And that is only going to decide whether people are going to buy from you or not. So start focusing on building trust between you and your audience. And how you will build that trust? You got to be consistent on your actions, consistent on delivering your content, consistent on adding value to your audience, consistent on helping them whatever the problems, whatever the challenges they are facing in their business. So you got to start helping them, and that is going to help you to build strong connection and trust between you and your audience. Then here is the third important thing: start focusing on building automation. Automation is extremely important. See, when I'm talking about as a digital entrepreneur, you need to focus on building strong automation system, and that automation system is going to work for you as a supporting system. See, understand, when we are talking about an entrepreneurship, and specifically as an online and digital entrepreneurship, it is all about building automation system. You are working alone, you are working virtually for your audience, right? So you got to have some supporting system, some foundation which is already set, which is working for you 24/7. You can't work manually, you can't handle all the things at one time or at one place. So you got to start focusing on building strong automation system, where your automation system is only going to follow up with them. Your automation system is going to give that after sale service. Your automation is going to help your audience to be updated, be connected with you. So automation system is extremely important as a digital entrepreneur, if you really want to if you really want to get those desired sales in your business. Then fourth important thing is that start focusing on building your community. See, understand, every digital business, every digital coach, every digital entrepreneur, they have to start focusing on building their own community, because it is not only about that you are going to sell something and then you are going to sell that your product or service to someone else. It is not only about that. You have to start building that particular community. You have to start building that particular family which is aligned with you, where you are heading or where you are guiding that particular family, that particular tribe, right? Because you are building that community, and that community is going to be for you as a lifelong customer. All right, so start focusing on building that such a community where people are actually following you. They want to learn from you. They are expecting some sort of information, content, or guidance from you. So you got to start building that community, start building that tribe, which is going to help you to get those sales on reckoning, and they are going to follow you for lifelong. All right, so start focusing on building that particular community which is aligned with your mission, which is aligned with your vision, and you are guiding that particular community. And last one is that you got to focus on playing the value game, because value is going to decide whether your product, whether your services, whether you will be able to get those sales again and again from the same customer, whether you will be holding that particular customer for your lifelong. You got to focus on how you can deliver such value, and it should focus all the time. You should focus over delivering something where whatever your audience are paying you, even if your customer is paying you 1 penny, start focusing on that, how you can give 10x results, 10x value through that particular service or product. All right, so whenever I sell something to my audience, whenever I promote something to my audience, all the time I focus that how I can give 10x value, whatever my customers, whatever my audience is paying to me. So start focusing on playing value game, because understand, it is not only about that if you're increasing or decreasing the price, or if you are giving any extra bonuses, or if you are giving them some discount, then only your audience are gonna buy you. No, you might get some sales here and there, but not for a too long, not for a lifelong. So start focusing on building a lifelong business, and for that you have to focus on building and playing the value game with your product and services. Always try to exchange the value with your audience, because value is going to help your audience to get desired results, get desired sales in their business. So start focusing on the results of your audience, not your results, not your own results. You have to start focusing the results of your audience. All right, so I believe you got some golden nuggets from this video. I want you to comment below, and what was your top 3 learning from this video? What was your top 3 aha moments, and what you are doing to improve your game of sales online? All right, so make sure you comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the like button and bell icon, so that you will be notified on my upcoming videos on personal branding, storytelling, and content creation. So wish you all the best. Good luck. I'll see you in the next video.